Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Codex sign-in problems. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, before you sign in, close the app right here. Okay. Close OpenAI right here as well in your taskbar. Now go to your date and time, right click on it, click on adjust date and time. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure that both of these, set time zone automatically and set time automatically, are both enabled. Once enabled, click on sync now. Wait for it to load. Once done, close it. Now find your OpenAI or ChatGPT app that runs Codex. Wait a bit. And then once done, continue to sign in right here, or you go ahead and sign in other way. So I'm just going to continue to sign in, and the browser will pop up. So on your browser, here's the thing, or here's the place where we need to sign in correctly. All right. So if you have your Google account connected to your ChatGPT, well, you can just easily log in right here. If you have it under an email address or like a different emailing service, well, just type it down in here. And after that, you will need a code from your emailing service. Just go ahead and enter the code. And once done, you're good to go. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and click on continue with Google. Wait a bit and select one of my Google accounts. And after that, there'll be a pop-up that says continue. I'll hit on continue. And on top of that, there will be some pop-ups again, where you need to go ahead and click on allow. If not, just like this, open ChatGPT. If not, just close the browser and it will automatically log you in. All right. So if that still won't work, let's say you have entered the correct credentials, even under VS Code, if you're trying to log in via VS Code with the official Codex extension. Well, the fix for that is by going to our search bar. And by the way, make sure that VS Code or ChatGPT is closed. And then on your search bar, just type down app data %. Again, %app data %. All right, hit on enter. Now in here, you just got to find Codex. Let's say, for example, you have the Codex folder in here. Codex. All right, so open up the Codex folder and you'll be able to see a file or files named store.json or another file that is named session.db. All right. So what do we do to these specific files? If you can spot one, well, just delete it or delete them both. Delete, close it. Now rerun VS Code and log in, or ChatGPT right here, and then log in. Now, once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. Those are simple fixes for Codex sign-in problems. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.